So in October of 2022, we cut the ribbon on the Center for Manufacturing Advancement. The first of its kind in the Commonwealth and maybe the first of its kind in the nation to create a tremendous value add for industry, to provide a place for industry to learn about Industry 4.0 principles that include automation and robotics and how they can become more competitive. And then fast forward to today with the announcement of a new 100,000 square foot regional training facility for ATDM that will be more than $55 million of investment.
Every time I come down here, we're breaking ground on something else or cutting a ribbon somewhere else. It's been a pleasure to watch it grow. It's phenomenal how quickly the community here has risen to the challenge to be able to continue to drive the capability and capacity that we need here in Danville.
As Secretary of the Navy, I'm extremely proud of the investments that are happening right here in Danville, Virginia. These are exactly the types of communities that we want to go to because of the rich talent that we actually have in the citizens of Danville, Virginia, who working together will now be able to gain from the skills that we need in our Department of the Navy in order to build submarines, aircraft, ships faster and better than ever before. And that's one team, one fight, all of us working together as one.
It's so exciting to be a part of a community that has this going on. You could feel the excitement, the momentum, but this community, Danville, Pennsylvania County, all of Southern Virginia, there's a renewed sense of pride, energy, and momentum that I think you will feel.